IIT Chennai, the city is about to make history with India's first ever street night Formula 4 racing event, introducing the Chennai Formula Racing Circuit near Island Grounds. The race got the green light from the court after the Tamil Nadu government assured that it would only go ahead once the FIA clearance certificate is in place, guaranteeing the safety of the involved. Meanwhile, traffic police have released a series of advisories regarding road closures and diversions. Expect disruptions at major locations throughout Chennai as far as everyone getting up for this event that's concerned. Let me take that point across to my colleague Dharani. Dharani, we just told our viewers that it's going to be a very exciting event, but also traffic diversions that are going to be in place. So you're probably the person to be telling us which road should be avoided for anybody who would want to navigate both essentially. Give us a quick takeaway.
Definitely a lot of traffic diversions have been announced by the Greater Chennai Traffic Police for the public, especially in the Kamarajar Salai Mount Road and also the Flagstaff Road. So in Kamarajar Salai, vehicles going towards War Memorial will be diverted at Labour Statue and ply via Valaja Road, Anna Salai, Periyar Statue, Central Light, etc. As far as Mount Road is concerned, vehicles towards point will be diverted at Palavan Salai towards Central Light Point is what the traffic police have told, and Sivananda Salai and Flagstaff Road, these two roads will be completely closed. Two significant roads of Chennai, that is the Sivananda Salai and the Flagstaff Road, both of these roads will be completely closed is what Chennai Traffic Police have told, and heavy vehicles and light commercial vehicles are strictly restricted in and around island towns, Balaja Road, Anna Salai, Kamarajar Salai, EVR Salai, R.A. Mandram, Muthuswamy Point and Paris Corner. So in these locations, heavy vehicles and light commercial vehicles are not allowed to ply. These are some of the important traffic guidelines that have been put out by the Greater Chennai Traffic Police. And in fact, right now I'm standing in the Kamarajar Salai. This used to be a two-way road. Kamarajar Salai is a very a lengthy road, a very broader road, which is a two-way road. But right now, because of the Formula 4 racing, on one side of the Kamarajar Salai, you can see the race circuit. On one side of the Kamarajar Salai, a race circuit is running, and on the other side, this has been changed into a two-way road. So vehicles from both that side and this side, they'll be plying on this same narrow space because of the Formula 4 race circuit. So just like this road, four significant roads of Chennai, that is the Kamarajar Salai, Anna Salai, Flagstaff Road, and Sivananda Salai. These four roads will see major traffic diversions, and vehicles plying in these roads to and fro. They should take note of the traffic diversion plan accordingly is what the police have told. And one more thing that I want to point out here is that across Chennai city, we can see these posters pasted by the DMK, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and Sports Minister Udayanithi Stalin. They can be seen featured in Red Bull racing suits. Both the Chief Minister and his Udayanithi Stalin, they are being depicted as F4 racers in these posters pasted by the DMK across Chennai city. So these kind of posters are have appeared across Chennai city in multiple locations. I'm standing right now alongside a race circuit road. So there is a race circuit alongside me, and just alongside the race circuit, these posters have been pasted by the DMK, and you can see in the visuals both Chief Minister and the Sports Minister Udayanithi Stalin, both of them are featured in Red Bull racing suits, Oracle Red Bull racing suits, and these posters have come up across Chennai by the DMK. This has been put out by a DMK supporter is what we're given to understand. So the posters read that Chennai has become
as far as
night race, and that
right, Dharani, not only with the fact that you've got us the latest as far as the traffic diversions is concerned, but also showing us very interesting visuals that are coming in at the moment from Chennai. We also see you break into a smile, which means you're going to have a great Saturday covering this event and probably having a lot of interesting tales to tell us as to how this particular event went, because it's actually a very big moment